Hey, my name is Dhruv Singh and I'm in ninth grade and I go to John F. Kennedy High School. This is my project demo for Innohacks 2023.
My name is Jay Prabhu. I'm from ninth grade and this is my product demo of Innohacks 2023.
Hi, my name is Ryan Robert. I'm in the ninth grade, and this is my product demo for Innohacks 2023.
My name is Vidya Brew. I'm in ninth grade at John F. Kennedy, and this is my product demo for Innohacks 2023.
Okay, so Shivansh, what problems do you face in school regarding technology?
For me, usually there's too many different apps or websites such as Infinite Campus and Google Classroom, and I would wish they would all be together in one place.
Okay, thank you. Okay, so Brian, what problems do you face with technology in school?
One of the problems I face is attendance. Sometimes my teachers mark me absent even when I was actually there.
Okay, thanks. Okay, so Ashkan, what problems do you face with technology in school?
Definitely how there's so many different apps. Like you got Strava, Remind, Google Classroom, and like these Infinite Campus apps and all. It's just too much, too many apps.
The problems our users had was that there was just a bunch of apps for them to manage and inadequate attendance. So, how do we solve this? Now showcasing Campus Plus and Attendance Plus. Let's start with Campus Plus.
This is our login process. First, we have to enter our email. After we enter that, then we'll receive a code. Once we put the code, we'll be logged into our account. This is the profile section. This allows students to scan their QR code for attendance.
Next is the home page. It shows your most important assignments, which can be completed by clicking on it. Scrolling down, you can see a calendar showing when the assignments are due and any upcoming events.
This is the classroom section. It shows the classes that you are taking and can even show the grades you have in them by assignment.
On the left of the screen, there is a sidebar. The sidebar allows students to look at school announcements, join RTI, search through hundreds of books and resources the school has, and book an appointment to meet your counselor. At the bottom left is the account.
Here we have the announcement. This acts as a way for teachers and staff to get in contact with students. Next, we have the RTI section. This functions similar to the flex time and allows students to easily join a specific RTI. Next, we have books and resources. This allows students to access all their books that they need. Finally, we have the book and appointment section. Here, students can book an appointment with a counselor by getting their emails.
Now moving on to Attendance Plus. So here you can see we've selected the block function and now we're going to open a special file we've made. Just to show you how this works. There's no name. We restart. Go back, open the app. I'm just opening the app here. I'm dragging it down from the second screen. Here it is. Okay, so this is what it's going to look like on the teacher's side. The teacher has to click mark your attendance. And basically she's going to have to wait, or they're going to have to wait. And then as soon as the green square comes up, like you see, close it, close both. And now when I open the CSV file, so I click open, go open that again. I see it's entered by the QR code. I marked present and done.
This is what an average class would look like. Teacher would go, select, block, open, say block 1. You would see the names of the student, their ID, and how they were entered. If it says entered by teacher, that means the teacher manually entered them if they were tardy or absent. If they were present, they were signed in by the QR code.